Today I'm going to teach you how to send a group message on LinkedIn. This is a great way to communicate with multiple connections at once, whether you're coordinating a project, sharing updates with a team, or reaching out to several people about the same topic. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your messaging features for this process. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll see several options like Home, My Network, and Jobs. Look for the one labeled Messaging and click on it. This will take you to your LinkedIn inbox where all your conversations are stored. It's the central hub for all your direct communications on the platform. Now that you're in the messaging section, you'll need to start a new conversation. To do this, look for the pencil and paper icon, which is typically located near the top of your messaging panel. This icon represents the compose function. Click on it to open a new message window where you can begin crafting your group message. In the new message window, you'll see a field where you can add recipients. Start typing the names of the connections you want to include in your group message. As you type, LinkedIn will suggest matches from your connections list. Click on each person's name to add them to the conversation. Keep in mind that you must add more than one name to create a group message. If you only add one person, it will simply be a regular one-on-one conversation. Once you've added at least two people, you'll notice an option to input a group name. This step is completely optional, but it can be helpful if you plan to have ongoing conversations with the same group of people. A clear group name makes it easier to identify the conversation later in your inbox. If you don't need a group name, you can skip this step entirely. Next, move down to the message field where you can type out the message you want to send to your group. Be clear and concise in your communication, making sure your message is relevant to everyone you've included. This ensures that your group message is effective and well received. Finally, once you've written your message and double-check that all the right people are included, click the Send button. Your message will be delivered to everyone in the group simultaneously, and they'll all be able to see and respond to the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully sent a group message on LinkedIn, making it easy to communicate with multiple connections at once. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.